Naranasan mo na ba na parang ginamit ka lang for their own benefit as their leverage? Honestly, I don't usually share this outside my inner circle. Like, for the longest time, feeling ko traumatized ako dito kasi I really thought na ginamit lang ako. Back in college, I assumed my mentor would recommend me to companies for OJT. Alam mo yon, the dream na baka ma-adapt ka after graduation para secured na yung job mo. Pero hindi nangyari. Instead, he assigned me to be the social media manager of our school page for enrollment campaign para rumami yung enrollees. And I was like, hala, what? Bakit dito lang? I had zero idea how to do it. Like, is that even a job? Pero syempre, no choice. So I started exploring Canva and I just figured things out along the way. Pero grabe, during that time, sobrang galit talaga ako. I felt stuck, deprived of opportunities, used. Pero, looking back now, it was a blessing in disguise. Kasi sino ba namang may idea na magiging social media manager pala ako? Wala. Not even me. But maybe, it was meant to be. Maybe it was God's way of planting me in the right soil. And totoo pala talaga na years later mo lang talaga malalaman yung sagot sa lahat ng whys. The things you don't understand before, eventually, they will all make sense. And now I know it was God's will all along. How about you? Anong kwentong social media manager mo?